I'm Kyle Winkleman. I farm in Menard County. I farm corn and soybeans, and I like to have a 50-50 crop rotation at any time. I'm almost exclusively no-till, but I also do some conventional tillage as well. This year is my first year for having precision technology. I added a DeltaForce, DownForce system to a planter that had an active pneumatic DownForce system. I felt that with the old system, I wasn't getting accurate planting depth. And the newer system really pretty much perfected my planting depth. I expected the results of having this system to have a more even crop emergence, and I would say I'm very satisfied, even though I planted into less than ideal soil conditions. My emergence was still a lot better than it had been with the old pneumatic system. In years to come, I plan on using it the same way. I plan on continued no-till farming. I may even no-till more now that I know the system is very well suited for no-till conditions. The new Gen 3 2020 display was fairly user-friendly, and after an hour or two of actually planning with it, I felt real comfortable that I could make any changes that I needed to the system. The precision agronomy specialist at Prairieland was very knowledgeable about the equipment. He knew how to install it, and after it was installed, I could call him anytime while I was planning, and the response was quick, and he was able to solve any problem that I had. Yeah, the planting depth is important in even emergence, and I felt that I could go across any soil condition in the same field, whether it be really hard clay surfaces or something that had even been tilled, or an end row, or somewhere where a spreader truck had gone, and if I walked back and I dug in the soil, that corn would be 2 inches deep every time. And that's why the emergence is so even.